What up, YouTube? Day 4 of the Marvel Funko 2019 Advent Box. Whatever, I don't know what I'm calling it. Anyways, so I'm just wearing a regular Marvel shirt today, straight up from Marvel's website. Um, just recap again. So day 1 was Iron Man. I figured it out. I think it's Iron Man. Day 2 was Captain America. Day 3, Red Hulk. This Red Hulk is really awesome. Um, yeah, so without further ado, let's do this. Get this out the way. All right. So I lined them up in front of their days. Let's do this day 4. Who do we have here? It is Thor. Nice. Can you see that? Thor. Sweet. All right. My hand is shaky. Anyway, yep, that's day 4. All right, thanks. Have a good one, guys. See you tomorrow.